Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for those who are newbies here, my name is Sam. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing to you guys kung paano ko tinatahi yung neckline. I'll be featuring here the dress ng isa kong client, which is a round neckline. So actually okay na yung front, yung back neckline ang kailangan kong i-reshape. So I'll be showing to you guys kung paano ko i-reshape yung neckline at the back. And also, I will be attaching the lining material sa self fabric. So, you'll be learning 3 things sa tutorial na to. First is how to sew the neckline. 3, how to attach the lining material. And number 3, how to reshape the neckline. So, let's get started. So, nagupit ko na yung neckline. We'll be tracing the cutout part bilang guide natin sa kabilang side and also sa lining material. Ibe-basting stitch ko muna yung lace and the base fabric para hindi mawala sa position kapag itatahi na natin ang lining material. Next, we're now ready to trace the cutout part onto the other side of the neckline. Ipin muna natin yung cutout part para di mawala sa position bago natin i-trace. I'm using white Tailors chalk to trace the outline ng cutout. After tracing, ipin muna natin ang neckline just below the outline bago gupitin para hindi mawala sa posisyon ng lace sa base fabric. Next is to do the basting stitch. Next is i-trace na natin yung cutout part dun sa lining. After marking, pwede na natin gupitin yung part na ginuhitan natin. Next is itatahi na natin yung lining material sa self fabric. Siguraduhin na nasa tamang position at magkakatapat ang mga seams tulad ng shoulder seam and yung center of the front and back neckline. Use pins to secure the position para kapag itatahi na natin sa sewing machine, hindi mawala sa tamang pwesto. I'm using 1/4 of an inch sa sewing allowance ng neckline. After sewing, kailangan na nating mag-top stitch sa may lining area para maiwasan na lumitaw yung lining kapag suot na ni client yung dress. Just a reminder, I wasn't able to show here na kailangan i-snip ang sewing allowance ng neckline after sewing para ma-release ang tension or tugging. And syempre, after sewing, kailangan nating tanggalin lahat ang basting stitch na ginawa natin. And that's it! I hope may natutunan kayo today, and especially for those beginners.